Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your company names for your outreach for free and really quickly, okay? So when you scrape a list, you'll usually notice that, let's say the company name says, I don't know, Amazon AWS, or let's say it's, I don't know, Nickelodeon. Let's do something else. Bob's Burgers LLC. Okay? Sometimes that happens, all right? It actually usually always happens for every list. You'll see that. And when you're doing outreach, you want to fix this. You don't want to say, because in your cold email, whenever you're plugging in these company names, it's going to say, "Hey, Bob, I saw you raised money for Amazon AWS and wanted to say congratulations. I assume you're blah blah blah." Okay, so this does not look human. Nobody really says that in email. So immediately, 99% of the time, whoever you're sending this outreach to, they're going to be like, oh, this person is probably using some automation, or they're just going to ignore it because they're like, who says Amazon AWS? Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how to clean these up at scale. So it'll just be like, hey, Amazon. All right, yeah, that's how somebody talks in a one-to-one email. Again, whenever you're doing outreach at scale, or outreach in general, you always want to think, hey, what would I sound like if I was literally just reaching out to them one-on-one? It's that simple, okay? Hey guys, if you run a B2B company and are looking to fill up your pipeline on a strictly pay-per-show basis, you can do that over at impactleadgen.io. I'll put a link down in the description of the video so you can learn more there. Back to the video. Hey, Cheryl, I saw the recent earnings for Bob's Burgers LLC and wanted to say again, when you write this in your email and your outreach, like, they're gonna be like, well, why are you saying Bob's Burgers LLC? Okay, it just looks weird, and most of the time it will decrease your reply rate. Not every company is gonna have this in your lead list, but it gives you more chances. It will increase your reply rate when you clean the company names. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay, for free. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Clay, and then you're gonna drop. You can create a free account. No problem. You don't need to pay. Just create a free account. And then I'm just going to drop a lead list I have in. Okay. Let's upload that. You're going to say import from CSV, by the way, at the top. And then just upload your lead list. Say continue, new blank table, complete import. All right. So now you can see the company name is here. All you're going to do is going to click. Let's see if I can make this bigger. All right. All you're going to do is you're going to click on the company name, insert one column to the right, click add enrichment. Now you can say normalize company name. Just going to go here. You see how it doesn't say there's any clay credits, like these have clay credits. Just going to say normalize company name. Then you're going to say normalize case, because most of the time if it says, hey, Salesforce, you just want to keep it lowercase, okay? You're going to say continue to add fields. Normalize name. Save. Try first 10 rows. Make sure it looks okay. And then you have the normalized name right here. So when you're inputting into your sending tool like Instantly and SmartLead, you can put the company name as your normalized name, okay, that input. So then you'll have the right name when you do your outreach. If you want to finish the rest, you just hit play. You say run all 26K rows, all right, and it'll fix it for all of them, okay? Again, it's not perfect, but it fixes most of them, and it will increase your applies, all right? So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below, and peace.